Good morning, everybody. The time is 8:12. I actually just got out of bed maybe about 10-ish, a little more than 10 minutes ago. So last night I put Charlotte to bed, I don't know, like 8:30, whatever. And you guys, she slept all night long until, again, about 10 minutes ago. I kept waking up because I was paranoid. I'm like, what the heck, is she not waking up? So I had to make sure she's breathing because, you know, I'm just paranoid even though she's 100% safe in her crib. And I'm just like, what is up with this? Like, she's still sleeping. And then I got woken up at 5 in the morning from the cat throwing up. So I had to wake up and clean that up. I'm like, oh my God, like the one morning that Charlotte does not wake me up, my stupid cat has to wake me up. I'm like, Paris, she can't hear me yell at her because she's just sitting right next to me because she's always by my side. So Ben's up, Graham's up. Graham's going to go to work early this morning. Ben wanted to go to Chick-fil-A. We said we were going to go to Chick-fil-A yesterday. He likes their buttered biscuits for breakfast. And I'm like, okay, it's been a while since, it's been a month or so, month and a half, a little bit less than a month and a half that we've been to Chick-fil-A with Ben for breakfast. So I thought maybe I'll just take him there and get him something. The Dollar Tree is like right next to the Chick-fil-A. So I might just run in real quick. Ben wants popsicles. And I think I've been having him, you know, if you want a popsicle, you pick up 5 toys. If you want milk, because he loves milk, you pick up 5 toys. So that's been really working lately. Charlotte just keeps pulling everything out, but that is it. So I'm working with Ben, you know, you want this, you pick up 5 toys. You want a treat, you pick up 5 toys. So I might just run in there real quick, get some food. There's some meals that I wanted to make where I need yeast. I think the Dollar Tree sells that stuff. So I'm gonna just see what's on my grocery list and see if there's anything there that I can pick up, because I really wanted to make hush puppies. Technically I wanted to make corn dogs, but Ben does not like, he loves the cornmeal on the corn dogs, he just doesn't like the hot dogs very much. So I was thinking of maybe just getting, you know, making hush puppies is basically what it is. So I was thinking of making homemade hush puppies. And then I also, we love Aunt Annie's pretzels. And I'm like, man, I bought some frozen ones when I was at Target the other day, and I'm like, and they all, both Graham and Ben ate them like that. So I'm like, okay, I'll make them homemade pretzels. So I've never made them before, so I want to try that. And then there was another one that I wanted to make, and I told that I had on my desk. And then there was another thing I wanted to make that was some kind of bread. Oh, Ben and Graham love onion bagels. So I'm like, maybe I could try making onion bagels. I've never made bread before besides, like, you know, stuff that you just put in the oven, but it's like, I actually have a bread maker. I've never used it, and I'm like, Graham, should I sell it? He's like, no, you should make something with it. So I mean, I should learn how to use my bread maker, but I'm like, I should make bagels. So, and then there's also another bagel recipe that you can use with an air fryer. So I was thinking of maybe trying both. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm gonna definitely try, I have the right stuff, except I have to get plain yogurt for the air fryer bagels, but we will see. I'm gonna get some breakfast, get dressed, maybe we'll get going right away. But yeah, I hope to have a productive day. I mean, my house isn't that bad. It's actually picked up pretty well. There's just a couple things here and there that I'm gonna still continue picking up, but I definitely want to get the windows cleaned today. My TV is a little messed up, so I want to clean the TV screen. But other than that, you guys, like, my main priority today is clean all my windows and the mirrors. The windows and the mirrors all throughout my house. So we're gonna have, I don't know what we're gonna do because we're gonna go out for breakfast. So I'm gonna go get dressed and I'll see you guys in a little bit. What are you doing, Ben?
Singing.
Singing?
Everybody can know.
Yeah. So we're at Chick-fil-A. Graham wanted to come with us. Miss Charlotte is
making music,
having some fun with her little toy.
Candy.
Yeah, Daddy got Ben candy because Ben is a super picky eater, and he tried yogurt for the first time yet. Well, he's had it in the past, but he tried it and he actually liked it. He just doesn't want to admit it. So yeah, we're at Chick-fil-A right now. We did the curbside orders. Definitely recommend the app. The app, you get points, and you guys get free food after, you know, you accumulate so many points. So when Graham and I first got the app, we fought, well, who's gonna use their phone? And I'm like, Graham, you use your phone, I'll use my phone because we all wanted to collect points. So they're gonna be bringing our food out. We're gonna sit and chill, and then I'm gonna run in the Dollar Tree. I got my face mask ready to go. Hey you guys, so it is now 11:49. I washed a bunch of dishes. I have to run the dishwasher. I have to make sure Charlotte is away because she'll crawl inside it when I put the soap in. Graham just left for work. I just gotta pick up a couple more things here and there. But then I just kind of plan on just kind of picking up and cleaning today. But yeah. I went to the Dollar Tree, and I made a little haul video. I'll post that later on. But I wanted to go to the Dollar Tree to get a couple things, and they were actually sold out of a lot of food items, which was not a big deal. I really need to make some stuff for the kids, but we might plan an action later on next week. We will see. But I don't know, I'm just gonna take it easy today. It's the weather. I think like when the sun's not out, I don't want to do anything. But when the sun's out, I have like ambition to do stuff. So we will see how that goes. But I definitely want to get my floor 100% picked up. And then I also, sorry, Miss Charlotte's taking, she took a bunch of Kleenexes out of the box. But I also want to start a wreath today. So we got looking forward to that. But other than that, yeah. There's this family that always comes in. We have a walking trail on our backyard, and then our neighbor made like a walking trail to the field. This family's always hanging out in the walking trail. It's kind of cool. So, but yeah, I am going to just kind of pick up, like always, an everyday thing, and Ben's helping me pick up right now, so we got that. Yes, you are. You're picking up your Legos. So, okay, I will see you guys in a bit. Actually, I'm gonna have some lunch because it's 11:50 already, and I'm gonna have a snack. So that's what we're gonna do. Hey you guys, so the time is now 1:45. Charlotte is taking her second nap. She's been sleeping probably about an hour. I cleaned up like crazy when she went to bed. I just started picking up like crazy, you guys. So I just have to get rid of this tote and that tote, but right now everything's picked up pretty much. I just have to vacuum, but I gotta still pick up a little bit by that door right there, but otherwise I gotta organize Charlotte's diapers. Ben kept taking the diapers out of the boxes that I have, but just needs to be vacuumed, and I got to clean the windows. We're watching The Hero of Color City. That's free on Vudu. I actually like watching this movie. And Ben has been coloring on the windows with marker. If you guys can kind of see it, he's dancing right now. He's been taking Crayola markers and drawing on them. We made sure that they wash right off after he colored on them. They're washable markers, so I'm like, here, draw on them, do whatever you want to do, because then I definitely have to clean the windows. So that's distracting him for a little bit. So, you having fun dancing outside?
Yeah, I'll just sing, everybody get it.
Always singing that 90s song, so I'm not focused. Yeah, so I'm just relaxing right now. I pretty much just kept bending over, picking up, bending over, picking up, bending over, picking up, bending over, picking up. I might go downstairs and get my rotary cutter, and I'm gonna start making some tablecloths. I want to make some tablecloth wreaths. There's a couple that I want to make for the next couple weeks, so I think I should just start cutting it and making it, because I just, now since my place is, yep, since my place is kind of cleaned up, I feel so much better. I'm tired.
This color and you do this color.
Yeah, I'm just tired. Charlotte, I was not expecting her to sleep all night last night, and I can't relax. Oh, yours is over there. So, Ben wants me to color. I'm just going to sit back actually and just relax. I need to do that, and then in a little bit I'll get up and start doing the wreaths, but I don't want to vacuum until Charlotte's awake, even though I know she'll still sleep, but I just want to do that. So we're gonna go have some art. The day art. Hey you guys, so after I filmed, I like fell asleep in the chair, so I maybe got like a 20-minute nap in, but it felt so nice. And then Charlotte woke up, and Ben has been coloring on the windows like crazy. We've been using Crayola markers, and he's been coloring all over the patio door, all over the windows, but it comes right off.
Not that window!
No, it's fine. But it comes right off, and I'm like, fine. If that gives you something to do, that gives something to do. Miss Charlotte's just being like, Mom. But I did clean up, you guys, and now it's a little bit dirty, but it's just like a book here, a book there, marker there. But I'll continue keeping it clean because I'm finally caught up. And that means if I'm finally caught up, that it's just gonna be easy peasy. So we got that going on. But yeah, it is 5:21. You okay? I accidentally scratched her. We are watching the movie Sing. We love that movie, don't we?
And I like that song. I'm still standing.
We love that song. I'm Still Standing by Elton John. So we're gonna continue watching the rest of the movie. I'm gonna go downstairs and start a video on making a wreath. So that is what I'm gonna work on. Miss Charlotte's shaking the camera. She's like, Mom, I wanna sit up.
I want to do this.
And so I got both kids here. So we will
Hi guys.
see you guys in a little bit.
Hey you guys,
Bye.
so look at, I have a deer in my backyard. The other two just ran by. I couldn't get my camera in time. But look at her. I love them. I don't know if there's another one. It means there's 3, but there might be another one. So, pretty excited to see the deer. Let's see if I'll record if she gets a little bit closer or comes on the walking trail. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Right there.
What about ran into his butt?
He ran into his butt. Okay, so that makes there's 4 of them. I don't know if there's any more coming. I don't see any more. Oh, one's pooping. It stopped to poop, Ben. Yep, there we go. Ben, it's okay. Oh, look at it. Look at it. They're being silly. Look at they're being silly. Ben. It's okay,
Hey you
honey.
guys, so the time is now 8 o'clock on the dot. The kids just got out of the shower, or bath. Charlotte's down here, Benjamin's still in the tub. But I feel like the kids were just cranky all day today. Just cranky. I don't know what it was, but they were just crying. I did vacuum. I didn't get to clean the windows. I didn't get to clean the windows because Ben ended up drawing all over the windows with Crayola markers. I made sure they wiped off before I did it, but he wants to show Daddy. So I'm just like, you know what, that gave him something to do for 2 hours. You can draw on the windows, but it had to be the glass only. So he had fun doing that. And then I vacuumed. He broke something of mine. He always breaks something of mine, and he never has like any remorse of it, even though it was something stupid. Like he broke one of these little totes that I have. He just stepped right on it. After I told him to pick it up, he still stands on it and breaks it. And he's like, I'm sorry, but I'm like, are you truly sorry? Because I feel like he's just not truly sorry. So now I'm kind of pissed because it's like I use those for my craft stuff, and then, you know, he goes along and does that. But I did vacuum, guys. Like I did vacuum. I gotta put Charlotte's clothes in the washing machine. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a load of laundry. But I did take that table apart. I just got 2 little pieces right here that I gotta go put in the garage. But that is it. That is it, you guys. Like, now the kids will have a bigger area to do here. But I'm slowly cleaning, and like I said, once I get caught, there's a ceiling fan, that's why my face is so bright. But once I finally can get caught up, then it's so much easier keeping this. But I've just been so far behind cleaning. Like, that was my problem. It's just like, you know, and people are like, you should do more. It's like, you be in my shoes and we'll talk. The kids are just super needy today, crying. They're like, I want this, I want that. And it's just like, I just need some alone time. So Graham says he's gonna get done with work early tonight, just by 30 minutes. But so we will see. Charlotte's been like learning how to stand, but she fell, and she was supposed to be sitting down, but now she's combing her hair. Aw, isn't that pretty? Pretty. Yeah, so I'm gonna get her ready for bed. But I feel like I had somewhat of a successful day. I got to go out, I got to do something. But yeah, I gotta clean my kitchen, which that's an everyday thing. I'll empty the dishwasher probably later tonight or tomorrow morning. But I'm gonna continue just picking up and cleaning. That's just what I want to do, but I'm happy that I'm finally getting caught up. Like, that's what I wanted to do. So, still working on stuff. I should probably still get rid of more books. Like, I have so many books, and I'm like, I should just get rid of some. But then I'm like, oh, maybe Charlotte will read them, and then I'm just like, I don't care. Let's just throw them wait, we can always get them at the library. Or not throw them away, I would donate them. But I'm just like, oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
If you guys can kind of see Ben's art a little bit, like here's some of it. But it's all washable markers. It's just kind of cool. But other than that, I was pretty excited to see the deer in the backyard. I don't see them anymore, but that was just like awesome. There's 4 of them. But other than that, I'm going to keep saying that. Other than that, Charlotte's going to continue combing her hair. I'm going to go check on Benjamin. I can hear him upstairs. But yeah, you guys have a nice day, and let's see what I can get done tomorrow.